Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I am going to go on a tour of a military surplus store. I've always wanted to do this. I've been in a few of them, but I've never done a tour. So hopefully this will work out if it's okay with them. So where I'm at is Billings, Montana. And I'm gonna go in the Billings Army and Navy surplus store and just check it out. And please watch all the way to the end of the video, and I'll give you some tips and thoughts on military surplus stores and gear. So let's go check it out. So I parked my truck over there, kind of on the shoulder. Hopefully it's okay. And I'm kind of on a main street area of Billings. And yeah, gonna check out this surplus store. So military surplus stores, they're really cool for finding good gear. And now I wasn't in the military, but I have a lot of respect for people in the military. Thank you so much for your service and your sacrifice. But I really like the stores and I like the gear because it's really good for hiking and bushcraft and camping and survival. It's just great quality gear, and it's just fun checking out these stores. I've never been here, so I don't know what to expect, but okay, should be right around the corner here. Okay, so here it is, the Billings Army and Navy. Please use other door. Okay. And hopefully it's okay. I'll ask them to make sure it's okay to make a video. And if there's music, I'll probably have to dub over it because YouTube doesn't like that. Boy, this is kind of a neat, kind of an old historic main street here. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, cool. This looks like an amazing store. Very cool.
But I'm looking for
very cool. There's a ton of stuff in here. I'm gonna make sure that it's okay to make a video. I'm gonna ask him here. Hi, is it okay if I make a video of your store? Is that okay? I'm a truck driver and I love these stores, and I have a YouTube channel I just like to share. It's very cool. It'd be free advertisement, and I will buy something. Thanks. Okay. Okay. Very cool. Tons of cool stuff. Again, all this stuff is really good for hiking and bushcraft. That looks like the canteen kit that I have. Oh, they got stoves and canteens. All different kinds. Now, what are these? Those are pretty cool. I don't know if those are some kind of stove. I'm not sure. They got shovels. Oh, stacks of shovels. Oh, they got paracord and bank line. Oh my goodness, look at, they got all kinds of camping supplies. So a lot of these stores have new stuff and old stuff, and oh my goodness, look at the little sternals. Those are cool. Oh my goodness. Just very cool. Okay, I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to look around. Very cool. This is all camping supplies here, which is cool too. But there's a lot of... Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Very cool. Oh, all different kinds of stoves. Oh my goodness, tons of stuff. Oh, a med kit, that's pretty cool. What are these? Oh, candles. Oh, very cool. Oh, cast iron stuff. Oh, very cool. So, looks like this store has a lot of new stuff, but also old stuff too. Hey there. Hi. Oh my goodness. Lanterns. Ooh, nice. So much gear. Ooh, and then there's backpacking meals. Oh, MREs. Oh, I did one of these one time and I made a video. It's on my channel somewhere. Oh, cool. Clothing. Oh, this would be kind of cool. That would be kind of cool. To have a vest and make it like a survival vest and have a whole kit on there. Ah, that would be cool. Someday. Very cool. Oh my goodness, they got all kinds of gear. Wow, very cool. Oh, and they got all kinds of knives and multi-tools, flashlights. Very cool. Helmets and wow. Ooh, backpacks. I know, I don't need another backpack. But I do like my packs and pouches. Oh my goodness, they got clothing and look at that. Wool pants. Very cool. Okay, I said I wasn't going to talk. This is a huge store. I could spend all day in here, but just doing a quick tour. Oh, they got boots and shoes. Oh, look at all the ammo boxes. My goodness. Boots. Oh, jackets. Someday I'd like to get I think it's called an M65 jacket. Someday. I do have a couple of shirts. Very cool. Again, they have new and used wool blankets. I do have one of those. More boots and oh, I like that pack up there. Anyway, ooh, nice. Ooh, very cool. Oh my goodness, they got tents and cots. Oh, look at this. Look at that. French Army cot. Now this is cool. That is cool. It's a shelter tent thing for on a cot. I love that thing. How much is that? Katoma complete body. I'm guessing it comes with the cot. I wouldn't need the cot, but this is pretty cool. New. How much is it? Oh my goodness. No, not today. Very cool though. Oh gosh, I like these packs. I really like these packs. I like the woodland camo. Very nice. Gosh, they got everything. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they got all kinds of packs and all kinds of duffel bags and gear. Swiss military air raid siren. My goodness. Swiss Army electrician's kit. That's pretty cool. Wow, different kinds of cots and stuff. Very cool. What I'm probably going to do is finish the tour and then buy some little thing. We'll see. Those are kind of cool. Oh, they're like, oh, I think these are like waterproof pants. Oh, those are pretty cool. But yeah, I'll probably end the video and then get a little something, and then I'll back in my truck. I'll finish the video and I like that one. I know, I don't need any packs. Gosh, I got everything. Lots of clothing, lots of packs. Ooh, that's a different camo. Huh. Very cool. Very cool. Ooh, and I got more clothing and hats and jeez, look at all the different kinds of packs. I got a bunch of, or a few boonie hats. Very cool store. Look at, there's so many packs, and gosh, they got gloves. Very cool belts. And yeah, you know, ooh, bear spray. I need a bear spray too. I do, boy. Yeah. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, I like my pouches. I like pouches and I like kits, and yeah, this is where, yeah, I'll probably get something in here. You know, that one is a cool one. That would be cool for a shovel or something big. You could have on either on a pack or even on your belt. That's a possibility. Oh, I do like my pouches. Because they're good for holding stuff. I like keeping things organized in kits. And ooh, that one's cool. They're a little spendy here, but you know, there is a variety. Again, watch to the end of the video and I'll have some tips and thoughts on different stores. Oh my goodness, yeah, they got all different. They got little pouches and big pouches, and some are used and some are new. Very cool. Very cool. And they got all kinds of stickers and pouches and pins and socks and hand grenades and flashlights and knives and all kinds of cool stuff. Very cool store. Okay, so I'm back in my truck. Yeah, very cool store. I got a few things here. I did get that pouch. It's really for a shovel. It's basically to hold a shovel or a trenching tool. But it was a good deal, and it's like brand new. It's not even a used one. So yeah, very cool. I might use it for a shovel, or I might use it for other gear and put it on my belt. You know, or it, you know, it has the molly strap, so I can put it on my pack too. Very cool. And then I just got this little, it's a oh, what do you call it? It's just a nylon sack basically, but it's for tent stakes, but I just think it looks like a cool sack, kind of almost like a dry bag thing, for some gear. I'm not really sure yet what, but yeah. And then I got a little patch. It's neat when they have patches, and a lot of these stores have different kinds of patches, and I just like this one, God, Family, and Country. I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'll put that on one of my packs. So yeah, got a few things. Couple of things. So again, military surplus stores are really cool for, you know, even if you're not in the military, you're not into that, the gear is very good. It's very high quality. It's time tested, and it's great. I just like the gear for hiking and backpacking and bushcraft and camping and survival and all that. I just think it's kind of fun. I like that kind of gear, and it's a little heavier, you know, but I don't mind. Again, I go for really short hikes and stuff, and I just like that kind of tactical, outdoorsy kind of gear. And the colors, OD green and the tans and the different camos and woodland and stuff. It's just kind of fun. Yeah, they just have lots of really good gear. So there's lots of different stores. Now this one had a lot of stuff, and you know, so if you look around wherever you live in the country or the world, actually, you probably have a military surplus store nearby somewhere. You can order online at some places, but some of them, you know, you can just go to, and chances are you have one nearby you. We have two of them in Minnesota, a bigger one and then a smaller one. But I've seen a bunch of them around the country, and they're all kind of different too. Sorry, I have my hazards on, I hate the blinking, but they're all kind of different. Some of them are more like corporate, you know, they're like bigger, and everything in there is new gear. Some of them are more like a mom and pop kind of place, and it's all used. And some are both. That's what this one was. They had a lot of cool camping gear actually, and a lot of new stuff, but they had a lot of used stuff too. Their prices were a little high, but it was a great store. The guy was really nice, friendly. He was okay with me making a video. Lots of cool stuff in there, and yeah, this wasn't real expensive what I got, just a couple of, I had to get something, and this kind of cool. So yeah, they're all different. So yeah, be careful not to spend too much, because you know, there might be a pouch or something that's brand new, it's like 35 bucks, but if it's used, it shouldn't be like more than 5 or 10 bucks. And you know, there's a lot of name brand stuff, but then there's a lot of used stuff, and you can find some really cool gear as far as packs and pouches and knives and clothing and just all the different things. And a lot of it's, you know, from Vietnam War, Korean War, you know, Afghanistan, Iraq, whatever, different places. And there's history with it too. So but yeah, they're just cool stores, and there's a lot of them around the country. So it's just really cool gear, and you can, it's really useful. I like it. Anywho, I'm gonna make a video when I get home, probably this weekend, of all the military surplus gear that I have. I have a few things, a couple of packs and pouches and canteens and tarps and different things, and I'll just show you everything I have and why I like it. And anyway, I'm gonna end this video. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And yeah, I'm glad I was able to do this today. I'm gonna keep trucking east towards home, and yeah, anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.